Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering Data Visualization, Lecture 5. In this lecture we will learn about Interactive Data Visualization, Introduction to Interactive Data Visualization, creating interactive charts and dashboards, adding interactivity with tooltips and hover effects, filtering and highlighting data, using interactive controls and widgets. Conclusion. Introduction to Interactive Data Visualization. Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to explore the exciting world of interactive data visualization. In this presentation, we will learn how to create visually stunning and informative charts and dashboards that will help us better understand complex data sets. Interactive data visualization is not just a buzzword, it is a critical tool for anyone working with data in today's data-driven world. With the explosion of big data, it has become increasingly important to be able to quickly and easily analyze and communicate insights from large amounts of information. And that's where interactive data visualization comes in. By creating dynamic and engaging visualizations, we can make sense of even the most complex data sets and communicate our findings effectively. Creating interactive charts and dashboards. Interactive charts and dashboards are powerful tools for displaying complex data sets in a way that is both visually appealing and easy to understand. By allowing users to interact with the data, these charts and dashboards can provide valuable insights that might otherwise be missed. For example, users can zoom in on specific data points, filter out irrelevant information, and explore different scenarios by adjusting various parameters. Adding interactivity with tooltips and hover effects. Tooltips and hover effects are powerful tools that can greatly enhance the user experience of an interactive chart or dashboard. By providing additional information about data points, users can gain a deeper understanding of the underlying data and make more informed decisions. Implementing tooltips and hover effects is relatively straightforward. Simply add the necessary code to your chart or dashboard and customize the content of the tooltip to suit your needs. Make sure to use clear and concise language so that users can quickly understand the information being presented. Filtering and highlighting data. Filtering and highlighting data is crucial in interactive data visualization. These features help users focus on the most relevant information and make it easier to understand complex data sets. By implementing filtering and highlighting, users can quickly identify patterns and trends in the data. For example, a user can filter a chart by a specific time period or category to see how certain data points compare to others. Additionally, highlighting specific data points can draw attention to important information and make it stand out from the rest of the chart. Using interactive controls and widgets. Interactive controls and widgets are powerful tools that allow users to manipulate data and explore different scenarios. By providing users with the ability to interact with data, these controls and widgets can help them gain a deeper understanding of complex data sets. One example of an effective interactive control is a slider, which allows users to adjust a variable and see how it affects the data in real time. Another example is a drop-down menu, which can be used to filter data based on specific criteria. Widgets such as radio buttons and checkboxes can also be used to provide users with additional control over the data they are viewing. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that interactive data visualization is a powerful tool for displaying complex data sets in an engaging and informative way. By using features such as tooltips, hover effects, filtering, highlighting, and interactive controls, we can provide users with a more immersive and personalized experience. It is important to remember that in today's data-driven world, the ability to effectively communicate data insights is becoming increasingly valuable. By mastering the techniques of interactive data visualization, you can set yourself apart as a skilled and effective communicator and make a significant impact in your field.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.